Next topic is freehand sketching. For drawing a straight line by using freehand sketching, the freehand sketching means without using instruments, just draw the object with the help of pencil. You do not have to need you do not have any need to draw the shape with instruments. You have to use just only pencil. For drawing a straight line, hold the pencil naturally, spot the beginning and end point, swing the pencil back and forth between the points, barely touching the paper until the direction is clearly established. Draw the line firmly with a free and easy wrist and arm motion. Here, first of all, draw the points. Then you want to draw horizontal line. Then just move the pencil back and forth, mean forward and backward. Then keep eye on the next point from where you are starting. Then draw the firm line that is drawn by using freehand without any instrument. The vertical line, similar 2 points back and forth, and draw the solid line. Nearly vertical and inclined lines, here the parallel lines, nearly horizontal inclined lines. Here small circle starting with a square. In the freehand sketching, first point, lightly sketch this square and making the midpoints. Slightly make the sketch and make the midpoints. Draw the light diagonals and mark the estimated radius. Draw the circle through the 8 points. Now you have made the points, small points. Now you have to make a solid line to make a circle. Here, starting with center line, this is another method of drawing a circle. Light will draw a center line. Okay, here is a center line. Add light radial lines and mark the estimated radius. Means make 45-degree line, 45-degree lines, 45, that is 90, and the remaining are 45. Then make the points. Then sketch the full circle. Then make the solid line to make the circle. Large circle, place the little finger or the pencil tip at the center as a pivot, means place a center of your small finger. Then rotate your paper and set the pencil point at the radius distance from the center. Hold the hand in the position and rotate the paper, means hold the pencil and the both pencils, then rotate the paper. You will see the circle will be drawn. Arc, similarly, first of all draw guidelines with light sketches and then make a arc by pointing a pivot at this point, make an arc. Method 2, starting with the center line method, from this point make a small sketch with light pencil. Okay, and in the inclined line here, then make a solid line that is also drawn the arc by freehand sketch. Steps in sketching. Here, first of all, make block in main shape, locate the features, sketch arcs and circles, then sketch the lines. Now let's do this example. First of all, we point out the features. Here is arch, here is arch, here is circle. Okay, here is again small arch, here is arch. So we identify the feature. First of all, this is the object. Okay, we will make a rectangle. Okay, now draw this feature by just marking. Then again this feature. Okay, now make this arch, this one, by placing a center at this point, make an arch. Now next, make this arch. For drawing this arch, you have to draw a line at this distance. Then this arch is starting from this point at this and at this location. Then by center point, draw this arc here. Now next, draw this point. Okay, and this is the distance of arch. This is just the estimation by your mind, and draw the end points of the arch, this point and this point. Then by pivot, draw this arch here. Then next, locate the center line. Okay, now this arch, this half circle. Now for inner circle, okay, square box here for the end point. Here. Now first of all, this circle, now smaller circle. Now all the arches have been drawn. Now I will join with the solid lines. Now this demonstration is shown on the computer. Now when you will follow these steps, draw the block, then locate the features, then join all the features, then you will beautifully draw the drawing with the freehand without using any instruments.